Hi family, Tanya here. Today I'm working on a Halloween centerpiece and I pulled out a few items. So let me show you what I'm working with and we're going to pull this together. Okay, I have some floral picks and let me look. Everything came from the Dollar Tree. Okay, so this is going to be a Dollar Tree DIY Halloween centerpiece, and this will be good for if you're keeping the kids in the house and you just set up on the island, their candy, and they can just walk around the island and put their little food in, put their candy in their own little bags, and so you just have it decorated nicely. Or for adults, you have a section for them. So I have these rose floral picks. We got some mums here. Mums. What are these? These are our sunflowers. And then I got some little branches here, glitter branches. And we got the roses with the skulls on them. I love this color, it's absolutely beautiful. I got a black vase. We got this snack, what are they calling this? A snack bowl. Just got some spiders. Bring this stuff around. Got some spiders here. Got these little pumpkins. I don't know if I'm going to use everything or not. Got some treat bags. You get 3 for $1.25. I have some candy. And I got this lace table runner in black. It's pretty. Okay, so let me I'm gonna put the table runner down, so I'm gonna have to push all of this stuff aside. And I hope you guys are doing well today. Glad you tuned in. And when I had a cleaning company, if I cleaned my clients' homes around any holiday or something, I would create little goodie bags for them, for the kids, even for the adults, give them a little treat. And then some of them I would set up. They would want me, if they're gone, they weren't at home and I was there, then they were like, can you set up something? Because they know that's, I was a caterer and an event planner. So they were like, can you set up something for us? We got some candy there. So look at this runner. It's just a spider web. I love it. It's so cute. I don't have a problem with Halloween. It's so cute. It has spiders on it. Because at the end of the day, we're all going to be a corpse. We're all going to be a corpse. And growing up, Halloween was fun for us because we went to school in September. It's like when we went to school, they worked us hard. And it was like Halloween was like the first holiday that we could kind of relax and we could just have some fun, because from September up until Halloween, it was like no joke. And they got us to a point, where, they got a lot done. Halloween, we could breathe. Y'all come on and bring, so that's, and then at home, and then it was nice and cool in the Midwest. I lived in Ohio. Ohio was my hometown. So it was just always a positive time. I was able to get with my friends outside of school, and we could go around the neighborhood and see our neighbors, and it just made it fun for the kids. So that's That's what I get from Halloween. Okay, so I have my black vase. Okay, so let me start building. I'm going to start. Take one pick, 2 picks to turn. Another pick, turn. I think I need to start with sunflower. Cute flower roses. Okay, so I'm going to just put that here on the center. And then I'm going to take this snack bowl. Dump the candy in there. Stick that over here. Even stop here. I even like this idea. You can even use this as the vase, but it was easier to contain all of those flowers in the real vase. So you can just do this. Do that. I think I'll do that. Scatter. this is just a jumping off point. Now, if you know those little bowls and those candy dishes you can get at Dollar Tree, then you can line that up. Let's see if I can find mine. Well, let's see. You can do something like this. You can take these little cups here, set a tray out, and just line it up, and just have other different snacks. Something like that. Put candy in here. Something like that, and have other candy. And so the kids can take their bag and dump it in there, you know. So these are just, you know, just little cute ideas. So I'm going to have everything back here. So many things going on, but I just want to give you some ideas. This is just a cute little centerpiece. So guys, if you got some ideas and got some inspiration from this video, I appreciate it if you give me a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, hello and welcome. And I want to thank all of my subscribers for your continued support. I love doing this. And so if you like my vibe, if you're new, if you like my vibe, hit subscribe and join the tribe. And hit that bell notification so you'll be notified the next time I upload any new content. Alright, thank you so much. Happy Halloween. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Bye, Mom. That's cute without going too much. And you don't have, Mom doesn't have to do a whole bunch of cleanup, and that's just a stuff. So you can have a candy set up here, some other candy containers set up there, and it can be a good time.